Back again with another video, peeps. It's your boy King Tunes.
Hey boy, Rich Kid here live with another video.
You don't know, I know it's been a while again, peeps, but due to some technical difficulties.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, we had to service our PS4 because it
wouldn't
was
work.
Yes, and that too. But but as you can see on the title of the screen, you don't know 40. Almost a 40? Oh, it's rubbish. 78% Fatal Blow combo with our boy Spawn.
What did he say?
You don't know the Damage King is it better than Shao Kahn.
What?
You see me, I'm busy what other Shao Kahn people want to say. Is it better? You see me?
Absolutely devastating and monstrous.
You see me?
Who decided to give him this, but thank them feet we can make content.
Yeah, man, but bear in mind, see, MK1 come out, you see it. Oh, like 12 or 1.
Speaking about that, no. Just work with the title.
I work with one, you see it.
Work with them call it.
But for you guys, we're gonna make this very, very, very enticing, you don't know. But my job becomes still, but apart it, you know, how you gonna learn if you're not try? You see it?
You're rough.
So I say, ready for them, Rich Kid?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Yo, don't come here. Alright. Let's go, first try. You can do it first try. Alright.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
First try. Oh god. Yo,
Alright, him did a practice for warm up before, so
you know,
that kind of helped you,
okay, you know, but tell them that, brother. They don't know that, dog. I'm telling you. Boy, yeah, peeps, as I can see, 78.
Nice.
Yo, I did them, you know.
That's it, boy, Spawn.
Don't catch up on 80% life here. Once I activate this, yeah.
Please break when you see us do this combo, please.
Don't break, please don't break, don't break, bro. Don't break.
No, please break. Once we're gonna get the fatal blow.
Yeah, for content, you know what I'm saying?
That mean, father, want them help with. Don't want them go against you.
Yeah, to that. Yo, peeps, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more content. You don't know, would love to reach 1K peeps. And as Rich Kid say, peace, you see it.